How to log in to 7TV account. So if you want to log in to your 7TV account, then first of all you need to open up a browser, any browser which you are comfortable with, and I'm here with Chrome browser. Simply go for the search bar and search for 7TV, and then go for the first search, which is 7TV homepage. And now after that, here you will have sign in option on the upper right side. Click on that sign in and it will take you to the sign in page. And now to sign in or log into your account, first you need to enter your username and then you have to enter your password on the next blank. After entering your username and password, now you can simply click on login. But if you forgot your password or if you forgot your username or anything, then you can simply click on trouble logging in and then you might get some steps to log in. But if you remember, then simply enter your credentials and then click on login. And now you have to enter the code. So simply open up your mail and here you will have that code. So simply copy this code and you can paste it here. And after that, click on authorize. And that's it. That's how you sign into your account, or that's how you log into your 7TV account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.